Good morning, everyone. This is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me again today for another video tutorial. We are on our second project this week of using the super cool stamp set. We used these last week as well, so I think this is project number 5. I just love this set. So let's go ahead and get to our project. This one's kind of funky, so might not be everyone's taste, but I thought it was kind of fun. We're going to be using the soda pop bottle and a couple of the sentiments. All right, so we're starting off with a card base of Azure Afternoon. This is one of our new core colors. It's in the bright, so we're using bright color cardstock today. I already have ink on my fingers. All right, now we are going to use a piece of basic white for the front, and then we have a thin layer of basic black. I like to use the black because it's makes a good border and it makes that center panel pop. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start off with pumpkin pie. And here is my little soda bottle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start on the left and I'm going to go, hopefully, I'm just stamping it up to the top right. I'm just creating a little background here. All right. Just trying this for something fun and different. Okay, let's take our Azure Afternoon. Make sure my hands are fairly clean. And I'm just going to go underneath and follow that up. Right there. And then we're going to use Poppy Parade. Get that real clean. Okay, and you guessed it, we're gonna go, you know what, I'm gonna turn it this way just so I can see a little better. And we're gonna go angle up this way. Just like that. So we've got kind of a fun color scheme going here. I'm going to keep that open because I'm going to use these one more time. All right, I need a couple of bottles of soda, so I'm going to use, we'll make an Azure Afternoon, Squeaky, and then we're going to use pumpkin pie. Okay, and then we need to stamp. Let's see, I've got just a 1/2 inch strip of basic white. And I'm going to use this sentiment that says, "You are so cool," and we're going to do this in the poppy and hopefully stamp that straight. Yeah, that's what we're looking for, something stamped straight. Okay, we're done with our colors. All right. Now I have got a little strip of basic black, and we're going to just stamp the word cool on here with Versamark. And so I'm going to use my embossing buddy over it, grab some Versamark and the word cool. Okay, I'm going to stamp this right about here. That looks okay. Let's get our powder on here and see how that looks. That looks fairly centered. Up and down anyway. It's a little bit high, but that's okay. All right, let's heat emboss this really quick. right, now these two we are going to cut out. And just like magic, we cut them out. We have to use scissors because we do not have dies to go with this set, which is one thing I like about it because it doesn't have to all be cut out. Okay, so I'm going to adhere this to our black cardstock. And then I'm going to adhere this cool strip here. And I will post measurements on my blog along with all the colors and supplies I used. Okay, now we can just put this on our card front. All right, fun, 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 fun. Got a piece of white for the inside. And I have now run out of adhesive, but I have more, so hold on just a second. Let's get a new one. If you haven't done this before, you just take this apart. Okay, and there's holes right here to fit these little posts. And you just put them on the post. Click that back in place and you are ready to go. Okay. All right, so let's finish this up. I'm going to take the You Are So and we're going to just cut it at an angle. And grab dimensionals. I've got a new pack of mini dimensionals. So the goal is to kind of keep our color scheme going throughout. So I've got my words in the Poppy Parade up near my Poppy Parade bottles, and now I'm going to add my orange or pumpkin pie bottle. And I'm going to put this at a little bit of an angle here. Not a big angle, but a little. And then let's do our Azure Afternoon. I'm gonna give this 2 layers. I want this to pop up above that, but it's gonna attach on the bottom. So I'm just putting 1 layer of dimensionals here and 2 layers here. And I'm gonna pop this up on top of that, just like that. And then we're going to bling it up just a bit with our iridescent pearl jewels. And I'm going to take 3 of these and we're gonna color them. We're gonna color them with our markers. So let's get our dark pumpkin pie. We'll do 1 in pumpkin pie. Okay, and we're gonna get 1 in Poppy Parade. I'm using the blends. Now I do not have the Azure Afternoon blends. But I have it in a Stampin' Write marker. So I'm just going to use my Stampin' Write marker. And you can color those as well. Okay. Let's grab our pick tool. I'm going to do the Poppy Parade right there. And do Azure Afternoon. Do Azure Afternoon next, and then the pumpkin pie, just so we have a little lighter shade on either side of that blue. And that's it. Isn't that fun? It's very colorful. very colorful, but just kind of different and quirky. So I hope you enjoyed today's card, and make sure I've got a really cute one for Monday. So come back Monday. Please click subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.